So let's assume you just went to a customer's house, took a bunch of pictures. You go into your photos or your gallery and you select multiple pictures by pressing and holding them. Then you go to the share button. You want to share it to OneDrive. Then you go to the folder. Andrew, this one I'm going to do Andrew's estimates folder. So you find your folder, in other words. Then you click add right here, add folder. And you name it the customer's name, Mr. Smith. Okay. Then you got to click on Mr. Smith. This is very important. And then you click the check mark. And it'll upload the customer's pictures to Mr. Smith's. And you can double check it by going to your OneDrive. And going into your estimates folder, and there it is, Mr. Smith. And there's the pictures.